What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Brass Monkey X. So we're working on Project Doomsday again, the 2003 Dodge Durango. I wasn't actually going to film this video because I thought it was something very simple that most people could do without instructions. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather today. But I ran into a little bit of a snag, so I'm going to show you guys a little trick for doing these liftgate struts if you ever need to replace them. You got one on each side of the liftgate here. So the first little trick, if your struts aren't working at all and you need to hold the liftgate up, go ahead and put a vice grip underneath one of them, okay? That should hold it up. The vice grip should be fine and it should hold up the liftgate. Then you can go ahead and start working on the struts. I already did this side here, okay? And I ran into a snag when I did it. Now, they're very simple to do. There's two screws, one down here, or you call them bolts, whatever. One right up here, okay? They take a Torx bit. It's a T40 is the size, okay? I am using a impact gun, portable impact gun, because they were in there a little tight, okay? Now, it's real easy to get them out. Just reverse the gun, pull the top one out, pull the bottom one out, you're good, okay? Now, to get the new one in, it was a little tricky. I put the top in, but then down here at the bottom, the bolt wasn't lining up with the hole. It was too low because the strut is obviously expanded. So, in order to get it in the hole, because it was a little too low, what you do is push up on the liftgate. There's still a little bit of play in the liftgate. See how it's moving a little bit? You have to push the liftgate up as far as it'll go and then go ahead and screw in that bottom bolt there, okay? So what I did was I got it started. I got my gun on there, and then I can't show you because I'm holding my phone with my other hand, but you push up on the liftgate with your other hand and then go ahead and screw it in and it should work just fine. So that's how you're going to do those if you run into that same snag as me. I started to put it in and it was coming in at an angle and I was worried it was going to strip out the threads, and that would have sucked because then I wouldn't have been able to get this thing in there at all. But like I said, there's a little bit of give in the liftgate. Just push up as hard as you can on the liftgate, and this bottom screw is going to line up just perfect. I'm going to go ahead and do this side as well. Maybe I'll go grab my tripod, I'll set it up, and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay guys, we're set up on the tripod, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. Now, since I have the right side already installed, I should be good to take this vice grip off of here. Yeah, and as you can see, it's going to hold it up with one just fine. Now what you're going to do is, like I said, it's pretty simple. Just get your gun, go ahead and take this bottom half off. Oh, and it's going to drop. So, as you can see, the liftgate's not staying up. So we'll go ahead and get the vice grip on the other side. Alright, with the vice grip on the other side, it's holding it up just fine. We got the bottom screw out. We're going to go ahead and take the top screw out now. The top seems to come out a lot easier than the bottom. It did that on the other side as well. Now, with both of them out, you can go ahead and grab the new one. Okay, we got the new one right here. I'm going to put the top in first. Just get it right there in the hole. Screw it in. And then the bottom, what you're going to do is try and line it up, okay? I'm going to show you. It's not going to line up perfectly. Let me get in here. I'll try and show you what I'm talking about. I'll try and get close up. If I take this and put it down here, you can see it's nowhere near the hole. If I try to go in straight, I'm like at least half an inch short, okay? And if you put it in at this angle here and then you try and screw it, all you're gonna do is strip out the threads. So this obviously has to come up. So what I do is I push on the lift gate here and it lifts it up. Did you see that? If I push on the lift gate, I'll show you again. Push up and it gives you the clearance you need, okay? So let me back this off and I'll show you. So I need both hands to do this. We're gonna get our gun on there. It's in the hole already. And we're just gonna push up on the lift gate and go ahead and screw it in. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the bottom's in, the top's in, we're good to go. You just got to push up on that lift gate to make it work. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you next time.